GE China Technology Center, Evolving Role in Global Innovation. This case is about strategy and execution. Get your GE China Technology Center, Evolving Role in Global Innovation case solution at thecasesolutions.com. This case describes how General Electric has developed its China Technology Center over the past decade. The case also elaborates on the changing role of the China Technology Center in General Electric's global research and development strategy. In 2000, General Electric set up its China Technology Center in Shanghai after bringing its technologies and products to China. In the first few years, the focus of the China Technology Center was to build local engineering teams, learn about customer needs, determine successful marketing strategies, and to develop relationships with local suppliers in order to reduce costs. Over time, the China Technology Center developed. TheCaseSolutions.com is the #1 destination for getting the case studies analyzed.